Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're taking your kitchen game to a whole new level with 12 Amazon products you didn't even know you needed. From time-saving gadgets to tools that'll make cooking a breeze, I've got the best picks that'll transform how you cook, prep, and organize. And here's the fun part. There's something for everyone. Whether you're a pro chef or just want to make your life easier, stick around because there's a product on this list that'll make you say, "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" The Ninja Espresso machine Luxe Café is your all-in-one barista. This machine is engineered to brew rich, smooth espresso, well-balanced drip coffee, and even rapid cold brew. The Luxe Café is equipped with Barista Assist technology, which removes the guesswork from grinding and brewing, ensuring you get the perfect cup every time. Plus, the dual froth system allows you to create velvety microfoam from both dairy and plant-based milk, making it perfect for specialty drinks. Perfect for coffee lovers who want versatility, precision, and convenience in one. Magic Mill is a trusted brand that has brought quality and innovation in American kitchens for over half a century. This machine is a must-have for health-conscious snackers and food enthusiasts alike. Its 600-watt rear-mounted fan ensures quick, consistent dehydration without the need for rotating trays, saving you time and effort. The Magic Mill offers 7 large trays, providing ample space for dehydrating fruits, veggies, and even jerky, all in one go. What's unique about the Magic Mill is its precise temperature control and timer settings, allowing you to choose between fast dehydration or raw options. Once your food is ready, the dehydrator even features an extended keep warm function, ensuring your snacks stay fresh for up to 24 hours. Safety and convenience are built in. With overheating protection, ETL certification, and dishwasher safe trays, this food dehydrator is designed for seamless use. Whether you're preserving your summer harvest or preparing healthy snacks, this state-of-the-art, heavy-duty dehydrator is a must for your kitchen. The Tovala is a 6-in-1 oven designed to simplify meal prep with 6 cooking modes, including air frying, steaming, and baking. Perfect for busy schedules, just load your ingredients, scan the QR code, and let the oven do the work. Whether it's a fresh dish or a store-bought frozen meal, the Tovala Smart Oven automatically adjusts modes and temperatures for restaurant-quality results. No guesswork required. The best part? You can control it remotely via the app, and there's minimal cleanup afterward. Introducing the KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer, designed for those who take their cooking and baking seriously. With 2 times the power and 40% more capacity than traditional tilt head models, this mixer can handle more in one batch. You can easily mix over 7 pounds of potatoes, bake 13 dozen cookies, or knead over 8 pounds of bread in a single go. This mixer comes with 11 speed settings, giving you full control. Whether you're using a half speed for folding delicate ingredients or full speed for whipping cream. Plus, the double flex edge beater ensures the bowl is scraped twice as often, so no ingredient goes to waste. It's perfect for everything from beating to shredding and stirring. Available in a variety of stylish colors, the KitchenAid 7-quart stand mixer is a must-have for any serious home chef or baker looking to level up their kitchen game. The Cuisinart Convection bread maker is the perfect companion for anyone who loves fresh homemade bread but craves convenience. With 16 pre-programmed menu options, this machine makes it easy to bake everything from basic white bread to gluten-free and whole wheat loaves. Whether you like your crust light, medium, or dark, you have the option to choose from 3 different crust settings and loaf sizes to suit your needs. One of the standout features is the automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which adds ingredients at just the right time, so your bread is always perfect. Want to get creative? This bread maker also allows you to make sourdough and even jam. Thanks to its convection fan, your bread is baked evenly with a crispy crust every time. If you're into artisan-style baking, it even has a setting for European-style loaves. Say goodbye to store-bought bread and hello to bakery-quality results in the comfort of your home. Meet the Meter Pro 2 Plus, the ultimate smart meat thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or frying, this wireless thermometer delivers precise results every time. What makes the meter stand out is its Smart Temp multi-sensor technology, which monitors the internal temperature of your meat and the ambient temperature of your grill or oven. It's designed for versatility, handling temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for grilling, deep frying, or air frying. Plus, it's 100% waterproof and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. With Bluetooth 5 and a built-in Bluetooth booster, you'll have an impressive range, allowing you to monitor your cook from virtually anywhere. And thanks to pinpoint accuracy, down to 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll receive real-time alerts when your meal is cooked to perfection. No more undercooked or overcooked meals. The Meter Pro isn't just about temperature monitoring. It's designed for convenience, offering fast charging capabilities and compatibility with a wide range of cooking methods: oven, pan, toaster oven, grill, and even air fryers. For flawless results and worry-free cooking, the Meter Pro 2 Plus is your go-to tool for perfect meals every time. The HORL 2 is a premium oak rolling knife sharpener that delivers second-generation sharpness for all your knives. This sleek tool combines grinding, turning, and honing, offering an effortless sharpening experience with its interchangeable diamond and ceramic grinding discs. With 2 grinding angles, the magnetic angle support ensures precision sharpening. Choose the 15-degree angle for a finely honed edge, or the 20-degree angle for a durable blade that handles tougher tasks. Perfect for a variety of knives, from European kitchen knives to stainless steel and outdoor blades. The industrial-grade diamond abrasive guarantees fast, efficient sharpening, while the solid oak wood design adds a stylish, practical touch to your kitchen. Whether you're maintaining your chef's knife or prepping sushi blades, the HORL 2 gives you the professional sharpness you need. Experience sharpness like never before with the HORL 2 Oak Rolling Knife Sharpener, a must-have for every kitchen. If manual sharpening is too much of a hassle, then the ever-popular Chef's Choice 1520 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener has got you covered. Whether it's your 15-degree fine-edge knives or traditional 20-degree blades, this sharpener handles them all with ease. Its secret? Advanced diamond abrasives that sharpen and polish your knives to perfection. Using it is a breeze. Just pull your knife through the guide, alternating sides 3 to 4 times. You'll feel the difference as it hones the blade back to the ideal angle. Plus, the final polishing slot smooths everything out, giving you a flawless edge. The Chef's Choice isn't just for straight-edge knives. It even brings dull serrated knives back to life. This electric sharpener is perfect for anyone looking for effortless, professional-level sharpness in their kitchen. The Coravin Timeless Special Edition 3 Plus offers a sophisticated wine preservation system that lets you savor your favorite wines without ever pulling the cork. This advanced tool not only maintains the integrity and flavor of your wine for years, but does so with remarkable elegance. The new smart clamps make it easier than ever to use, even on screw cap bottles, expanding its versatility. With Coravin's innovative technology, pour wine effortlessly while the rest of the bottle continues to age naturally. The sleek design of the Timeless 3 Plus makes it a stylish addition to any wine collection, ensuring every glass is as fresh as the first. Say goodbye to traditional water pitchers and hello to the LARQ pitcher PureVis. Most water filters may improve taste, but they can become a breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and pollutants within just 2 weeks. That's where the LARQ comes in with a smarter, cleaner solution. The LARQ pitcher features a 2-step filtration and purification system. Step 1. The LARQ filter, which removes lead, chlorine, mercury, and VOCs, all while using 75% less plastic than traditional filters. Plus, it lasts 50% longer, meaning fewer replacements and less waste. Step 2 is where things get really innovative. LARQ's patented PureVis UVC LED technology purifies your water, eliminating bacteria, viruses, and mold at the molecular level. Also, LARQ's intelligent filter life tracking ensures you'll know exactly when it's time for a replacement, making it easier on your wallet and better for the planet. The result is crisp, clean water, free from harmful contaminants. With the LARQ Pitcher PureVis, you're not just filtering your water, you're purifying it. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is the ultimate kitchen workhorse. Consistently rated among the best food processors out there, this versatile processor, powered by a 720-watt motor, effortlessly handles a range of tasks, from chopping and shredding to mincing, dicing, and pureeing. With its large capacity, it's perfect for batch cooking or prepping family-sized meals in one go. The extra-large feed tube lets you toss in whole fruits and vegetables, saving you precious time on chopping. Plus, it comes equipped with premium stainless steel slicing and shredding discs, along with a versatile chopping mixing blade, ensuring top-notch results every time. Operating this powerhouse is a breeze with its intuitive control paddles. And when the meal's done, cleanup is quick too. The parts are dishwasher safe, and the detachable disc stem makes everything more convenient. Backed by a 5-year motor warranty and a limited 3-year warranty for the unit, this food processor combines reliability, performance, and ease. The nutrition scale by Greater Goods is a smart scale that goes beyond just measuring weight. It features a built-in database that tracks calories, fat, sugar, protein, and much more for thousands of common foods. Simply match your ingredient to its code, weigh it, and instantly get the nutritional breakdown. With a sleek glass surface, cleaning is a breeze, and its low-profile design makes storage easy. Whether you're meal prepping, counting macros, or just trying to eat healthier, the Greater Goods Nutrition Scale offers detailed insights to help you make better decisions. Plus, Greater Goods stands by their customer service, offering lifetime support from real people before or after your purchase. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.